Come in, beta. Come in, beta. Student A will be sitting over here. Whose roll number comes first? You. Please take your seat. And student B will be sitting over here. Welcome to the ASL room. We are conducting your annual examination ASL speaking activity for 2020 and 21. Welcome to the ASL room. First, just a minute. We are conducting annual ASL examination speaking activity for 2020 and 21 for your examination. Welcome to the ASL room. Student A, first of all, give your self-introduction first. Student A will be giving the self-introduction first.
Good morning, sir. My name is Harshana Patel. I am from Marthama Gram Jyoti English Medium School, Khetwara, Sivan, Madhya Pradesh.
What is the topic of your speech? Speak on that particular topic.
My topic of speech is being a winner. I repeated, being a winner. You see, you were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win. The main difference between the winner and the loser is what they do. A winner is someone who has given all his efforts, who tried the hardest he possibly can, utilized all the energy and strength to achieve the success. It doesn't mean that he was not able to complete it very far, but it means that he all given his best. That's a winner who never get disappointed from the failure and who gave all the effort to the work was done by him. In the world, there are so many people who sees problem in a different ways. A winner who sees problem as challenges, but loser sees as disaster. Winner gains pain and losers gain pain.
Okay, student A, on the basis of your topic, I will be putting down some questions. That means if you want to be a real winner in your life, okay, actual winner in your life, what tax you will be adopting to be successful?
If I want to become a successful person or winner, I want to gain some confidence and discipline. I want to do hard work to prepare the thing what I have to do.
Answer me the next one. If you are achieving your goals, if you are achieving your goals in life, that means if you are achieving your aims in life, what path you will be choosing and what you want to become in life, tell me that also.
I want to become physiotherapist. For that, I want to do hard work, and my mind is very positive about that. So I am able to gain my achievements.
Now student B, you will be giving your self-introduction first. Okay, first give your self-introduction.
Good morning, sir. My name is Kanik Patel and I am from class 11A Science. And today I am here to give the speech on corruption.
Okay, mention your topic and speak on that particular topic.
Sir, I am here to speak on the topic corruption. Corruption refers to a crime or dishonesty. It refers to a people, it reflects the people's needs and privileges. Corruption is mainly because of the relation or we can say friendship between the bureaucrats, criminals and the politicians. If nowadays if a person wants to do a public sector job, he had to pay a higher than the actual amount of money for components in the job. And the corruption refers to a privileges. In the older day, rights and helmet was given in the previous days, but nowadays it was gone wrong. Elections on the day in the nowadays election where electors have been forced to do a vote on a particular candidate or or reflect the voting centers by it reflect to all over the world in a particular society like a tribals and the Dalits people. Nowadays, we have to allow a strict legislation and hard legislation to the corruptions and for avoiding the corruption we have to follow the rules like allowing the cameras on the government area where the corruption will be high. Thank you.
Okay, student B, on the basis of your topic, I will be putting down some questions before you. Answer me the first question. In India, particularly in semi-government and government departments, or we can say the public departments, the corruption is much. Okay, if you want to eradicate this problem, it's a main problem and a main issue of India particularly. Because of that, India is not advancing. Okay, if you want to eradicate or remove this problem, what tax you will adopt?
Sir, firstly, we will take a hard and strong legislation rules, and we can provide and power to the peoples like police and all to avoid the corruptions.
Answer me the next question. Now, it's a main problem of India. Corruption is the main problem of India. That means we are seeing in public departments much. Okay. Now see, if we want to advance and progress, that means this problem should be eradicated totally. This problem should be eradicated totally from India if we want to advance. If we want to advance like developing countries like America and Japan, it's very good in technology what we are seeing. That means we should adopt new techniques. Okay. What our present Prime Minister is taking certain steps towards that. Okay. What is your opinion regarding this?
Sir, repeat.
My question is that in present circumstances, okay, that means our present Prime Minister is taking certain steps against that, okay, to eradicate this problem, to make India a progressive country. My question is that means, what is your opinion if the Prime Minister is taking certain steps to remove this problem? In your own, you can answer.
Sir, in my opinion,
You applaud that? You support that?
Yes, I
Fine.
support that
Okay.
and told people to follow them.
Okay, now there will be a cross question session between two students. Student A will be putting question for student B first. Any question on the basis of this topic?
How can they stop corruption?
We can stop corruption by taking the following high legislation and strict and high laws by fundamental laws.
Now student B will be putting question for student A. Any question you can ask on the basis of a topic.
What defines a winner?
Who never left the things incomplete, who give his full efforts to achieve the achievement, and winner never stop trying. Winning doesn't mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you have ever done before.
Okay, fine. Now the next task comes the problem solving task. Okay. Under the prompt, I will be giving you task 3. So one of you can read the prompt question louder and answer the questions which are given below. Anybody of you will be answering the first question, okay, and you will be answering the second question. Read the prompt first, louder in the mic, so that the second student also can listen. Okay, anybody of
often penalizes them when they are at fault. However, you notice that he or himself often wears different types of socks and belt instead of the ones which are part of the school uniform. With your partner, discuss how this might impact the class students.
You answer the first one, beta. You can read it once again, louder in the mic. You have answered the first one? Answer the first one first. What is the first one? How this might impact the class students. How it can affect the class students.
Sir, it impacts the nature, or we can say the environment of the students, that they are not approaching the strict rules of the schools. It will be disadvantage.
If you want to read the prompt, okay, you have understood. Answer the second question, the second dotted one.
What do you think could be the best way to make him understand that that's wrong? I think we want to understand him that if he make a mistake, then others will also follow him. So if he or she could understand what is the problem, then he also gave the suggestions to the people to don't do what the things he was doing.
Okay, thank you very much. Wait till your names are noted down. Okay? Tell your names so that in computer your names could be fed in. Thank you very much.